minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Good morning everyone, I hope you've all been well. I haven't vlogged in a hot minute, so I thought it was about time we did another vlog. Today's technically like a self-employment day, so I am working today. I've got to take a few photos, plus I've got to do like housework and sort of like some event prep. So I've got like fake tan, tone my hair, all that sort of jazz, because I've got a few things on this weekend. I've got a friend's birthday party tonight and a friend's event tomorrow night. So yeah, thought I'd just bring you guys along with me. Don't know how much exciting things will happen today, but we'll just bring the camera along, aka you guys, and we'll just see what happens for the day. All right guys, so I'm just going to go purple shampoo the shiz out of my hair, just because it's a little bit yellow for my liking. I really like my hair ashy usually, but I think for the wedding I'm going to leave it a little bit more like creamy golden, because what I'm wearing might clash with ashy hair. But I'll be right back. Oh hey, looking crazy, I'm in a towel, but I've just jumped in the shower, wet my hair, and I've popped the Fanola No Yellow shampoo on, and I do also have the conditioner too, but I'm just going to leave it actually on for a little while to try and make my hair like nice and silver. Okay, so I've actually got to take my tan before photos. Like, I'm fresh out of the shower, skin's nice and pasty, so I'm going to take my tan before photo, and I'm going to tan today and take my afters tomorrow. So I just thought I'd show you how funny it is to actually see the behind the scenes, and I'm going to insert what the actual final photo ends up looking like, but here is the behind the scenes of me taking a tan photo. It's honestly, it just looks so funny. I just had to share. And I'm just using my marble background. I thought I've done so many décolletage before and afters. It was about time I do a little leg one. So I'm just going to go ahead and absolutely lather myself in my loving tan. And then I'm going to come back and tell you some of my tanning secrets to stop transfer and everything. Oh, don't I look so cute? So now that I'm marinating in my fake tan, I actually like to go in with my Tansy Fairy Dust. Let me just get a little close-up of it. So this is the Tansy Fairy Dust. Now this is a powder that actually helps to set your tan. It stops it from transferring. It takes away all the stickiness. It's freaking amazing. Every time I fake tan, I now use a tan setting powder, and I just like to pop it in like all the sort of crevices. So I put it in like the inner corner of my elbows, behind my kneecaps, inner thighs, armpits, around my neckline sometimes if I'm wearing a t-shirt. Pop some of the powder into the lid, and also, excuse me in a shirt and underwear, but like I just could not be bothered trying to find shorts and stuff to put on, because usually I would just fake tan butt naked. So just gonna pat that on the inner corner of my elbows. It just means that like I can go about my day, do some housework and stuff without getting all creasy and without feeling all sticky and gross. My knee, back of my other knee, and we're good to go. Okay, so I have dried my hair. I've still got to straighten it. You can definitely see like the purple tinge in it, and I think I missed a few spots, but I mean, it's fine. Your girl's hungry and needs some lunch. So I'm gonna have some lunch, then I'm gonna probably do some editing in bed. So these Weight Watchers tuna mornay's, I love them. Like, they're delicious. They're just like a little frozen meal, but they're super scrumptious. So I'm gonna have one of these for lunch today. I could really like go with like a can of soft drink, but I don't have any. Time to do some work. Now currently, because I'm really lazy, I don't have a cover on my doona. Please don't judge me. Can you hop off, Lily, just so I can give this a shake? Can you hop off? Hop off. Hop off. You can hop back on in a second. Oh. So although I have dogs laying on my bed, I'm obviously not going to lay on like my white quilt and also my white sheets with a developing fake tan, and that's where the original Tansy sheet protector comes in so flippin' handy. So they obviously have their fairy dust, which is the drying powder, and they also have their sheet protectors. Usually I sleep in my tan. I don't actually usually do it during the day, but I have an event tonight, so that's why I did it this morning. I'd usually do it Friday night or Thursday night. So this is what it looks like when it's all unraveled. It's literally like a little silky sleeping bag, and it even has a spot that you pop your pillow into, which is really cool. And I do have a discount code with Tansy, so I'll pop that on the screen and in the description box for you guys. The dogs like love my Tansy too. But you literally pop your pillow in like that, and then you just slide the Tansy under the covers, don't we, Miss Lily? And you've even got like a little flap that goes over where you pop your arms out. I'm going to get my laptop and I'm going to hop in bed with my baby and do some work. Oh, yeah, you want to hop in here too, don't you? Don't you? The dogs actually love my Tansy as much as I do, because it's silky. I feel like they just obviously love the feel of it, but it's so good because it means I'm not going to get any of my fake tan on any of my white bedding, so I won't have to worry about changing the sheets or anything after sleeping in my fake tan. Oh, I'm so excited too because I just ordered the iPhone 11 Pro. It's actually not going to be here for like 4 or 5 weeks, but that's okay. I'm very excited to get it. I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. Lily and Mia, I can't wait to take more pictures of you. Hey guys, so today is Brett's 30th birthday, which is very exciting. So I'm just currently doing like a little setup for when he comes home from work with like the 30 balloons and some delicious donuts. I'll show you guys the setup once I've got it all finished, but I think it's gonna look really cute. I've got this little happy Bday sign to blow up too, so I'm gonna quickly just finish this and hope he doesn't come home while I'm trying to set up. Okay, cute. Bday. Okay. I need some tape.
Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby.
Got him his big 3-0, happy Bday. Got him a mountain bike helmet, donuts, some sparklers. I think we're ready to rock and roll. So hopefully he doesn't take too long. I'm actually planning on scaring him. So I'm gonna set the camera up over here and hopefully I can scare him on camera.
Struggling. What is it, wet? Quick.
Oh, I failed.
There you go.
There we go, stand in front of it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, little honey buns. Happy birthday to you. Quick.
That's so cool, it's only dance.
I've got Krispy Kreme and Donut King.
Oh my god, I'll get one.
I thought maybe we could put it back in the box and go to Chinese. Hey? Well, we could just go outside. Lily!
Oh, you wanna go outside? Oh, you wanna say happy birthday?
Yeah, Dad, let's say happy birthday to you.
Hey, Mimi.